Once you place the paper drape on top of the ground drapes, then you're going to attach the cover drape to the penetrating towel clamps. The Lorna non-penetrating towel clamps go around the box locks of the penetrating towel clamp. Again, practice holding the instrument appropriately with the ring finger and the thumb, with the index finger placed on the box locks. You can palpate on top of the cover drape to feel the box locks of the penetrating towel clamps to place these. What's important is that you move around your patient so that you do not stretch or reach across where the incision is going to be.